Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. I'm here with another tutorial from series of the voice assistant with Ollama, and in this tutorial I would like to talk about the block topic. Suppose you have the specific words or specific topic which you don't want Ollama talk about that, and when you are asking Ollama, then it will Ollama will reject to answer or talk about this issue. So first I will show you as a demonstration how it will work, and after that we will jump to the coding part to tell you how you can configure that part of the code to add these block points. So if you are interested in this topic, please stay with me and let's get started. So let me first run my first of all, you have to make sure your Ollama is up and running. For me, I'm up and running in Docker, so that's now you can see it is already done. Then I have the specific code for that one. There is a model, and also there is then code. This the code later after explanation I would drop it in this video below this video, then don't worry about that. But the point is that I will not go through all this code. You may need my previous video about the structure of the code because I explained very well at that session. Okay, let me write down my I need to jump to my virtual environment. This is the right approach for the Python. So just will be easy. Would you please explain about the Internet of Things?
This topic is in my red line. I will not answer it.
Okay. As you observed, I configured Internet of Things as a blocker point, and Ollama now it answered exactly what I configured. So let's jump to the coding part to see that what's happened. Again, this structure of the code I will not explain it, and if you are interested about the details of that, please watch my previous video. I will drop the link here, then you can follow that link. So I just added here, there is the block topic. So this block topic you can add more, whatever you think it's required, 1, 10,000, it's up to you. Then when you are coming to the Ollama query, which is here, query Ollama here, I put it here, and then you would need first make it as a lowercase, because when you are speaking it will convert to the text and the system knows the text, and then based on that text it will return to the voice. So you would need to make it as lowercase to not make any mistake and so on. Python is a case sensitive, so that's why I put it as lower. Then I wrote here one condition, which if any topic in lower input, which is this argument for the topic in the loop, then and also including these block topics. What is this block topics here? This is the block topics. Then return this message. This message also customizable. I wrote as a this topic is in my red line, and I will not answer it. But you can say some other point. It is based on our policy, and we will not answer and so on. Yeah, that's all. And you don't need to add anything more, because it will not continue. When it's reached to this point, it will stop to discuss more or continue to checking other points. It's just follow this item, and then it will drop to continue for the discussion. Okay, that's all, and thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, and if you didn't subscribe, please do subscribe. And please let me know what you think, and your feedback helps me to improve my videos. And if you have any question, please drop your comments below. Definitely I will get back to you. Thank you again, and see you in the next one.